Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop. Welcome back to my channel. Here with a quick update on this little project that I did a little while back. And in that video I believe I had mentioned that I thought about doing an update but went against it. So a viewer suggested I should go ahead and show the final product or finished project. So here it is. So basically, you guys, in that video, I'm going to attach this video to that one too. You saw me making the bottom shelf using these old drawer tracks right here. And then I took a piece of 1/4 inch plywood. It looks like, no, 3/8 inch plywood, and traced out the opening for the basket. And use my little jigsaw to cut it out, and I had some of these left over. I believe these are 3/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch strips. So went ahead and used those in my supports on both sides. I put a little bit of blocking here, little added blocking, just to help keep this more sturdy from going back and forth. I could have done like, what do you call it, like triangle gussets or something made out of wood, but I had these already cut like that and went ahead and used those instead. And I put the same thing on the other side. You can see right there. Okay, so yeah, so here it is mounted, and as you can see, it goes in nice and flush. Close the door, it doesn't bother the door. When I need to pull the trash out, just grab it by the lip, pull it out like that, use it, and then push it back in till it stops, close the door. It's very simple. Like I said, pull it out. I usually keep like 4 or 5 extra bags at the very bottom, so every time I empty one out, I already got more in there. Take it out. I usually tie the bags also. Alright, see, like right here, you can see how I tie the bag right there first. That way there, it keeps the bag from, like when you throw stuff in there, from falling in, because the mouth of the bag is much wider than the opening of this can. So it keeps it nice and snug, but it doesn't take away from it. And then when it's done, you just pull it out, tie it off, and then you're good to go. And then this here is actually, it's in there pretty snug, but you can see I can just lift it right out. And here's what it looks like. All right, and I went ahead and actually used some, and the camera doesn't really pick it up, but this is like what do you call it? Like a sealant, polyurethane sealer, just to make it look nicer. You can see kind of a sheen there, but so yeah, like I said, this is pretty simple. I know they have the wired ones you can just buy, and then you have to buy a basket that fits that. So I already had this, so I said, you know what, I'll build this around that. And actually there's see the camera, when it focuses, it takes away some of the color, but anyway, so that's what I did. I put that what do you call that, coating on here. Here's a view from the top. It's not much right here. It's about 3/4 inch here and here, mostly all the way around. But like I said, this fits nice and snug in there, all the way down. Sits flush right there, so it actually holds it nice. And like I said, you can pull on it back and forth, and this doesn't even move, like it doesn't even tilt. But there it is, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload this and attach it to the original video so you guys can see the finished product. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. I'll see you on the next one. Alright, bye.